Sany hydraulic excavator, a star of energy saving in a leading place around the world. The world's top manufacturer, equipment, and productive technology. Intelligent, positive flow control system, and innovative main valve saving energy. Positive, electric hydraulic technology. Advanced international testing technology. Lightning device technology. Convenient maintenance. A leading position of productivity in the world with yearly output of 8,000 units. 3 leading product series for 5T to 200T, large, medium, and small. The yearly sales volume increase is over 120%, which is the world's fastest. Made in China, world's top quality. Sany hydraulic excavator.